Welcome. You've explored these frequencies individually on my channel, but today we merge them into a Sonic Trinity. By layering 432Hz 528Hz and 741Hz, we aren't just relaxing, we are recalibrating. The 432Hz acts as your anchor, holding your physical body in a state of safety. This allows the 528Hz to penetrate deeper for cellular resonance and repair, while the 741Hz acts as a systemic cleanser, stripping away the mental static that blocks your progress. It is a full-spectrum alignment. Inside your brain, something remarkable happens. These frequencies help quiet the amygdala, your brain's emotional alarm system, while strengthening the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for calm, logical focus. As these rhythmic pulses stimulate the vagus nerve, your nervous system shifts from fight or flight into a deep rest and digest state. This creates a whole brain harmony where the left and right hemispheres sync and true emotional healing begins. We mix these because they target different layers of your being simultaneously. While 432Hz stabilizes your physical rhythm and 741Hz clears emotional toxins, the 528Hz acts as the essential healing bridge. It promotes a sense of deep inner peace and restoration, ensuring that as you let go of the old, you are immediately filling that space with high vibrational energy. Together, they create a protected space for your mind to let go without resistance. The theory ends here. The experience begins now. We are about to transition into a 5-minute deep immersion. Find your center. Adjust your posture. I will be checking in with you every 60 seconds to keep your focus sharp. Prepare for complete renewal. We begin now. Minute 1. 1 minute in. Feel the 432Hz grounding your weight into the earth. Your breathing is slowing down, and your heart rate is finding its natural, steady rhythm. You are physically landing in this space. Minute 2, 2 minutes. As the 528Hz layers in, imagine your chest expanding. You aren't just breathing air, you are breathing in resonance. Let the frequency soften any tightness in your heart and repair your energy from within. Minute 3, 3 minutes. Now notice the 741Hz cutting through the mental chatter. Like a breeze clearing away fog, feel your mind becoming spacious and quiet. The noise of the day is simply dissolving. Minute 4, 4 minutes. The Trinity is complete. Your body is grounded, your heart is open, and your mind is clear. Experience this total alignment. Every part of you is vibrating in one single harmonious chord. Minute 5. Final minute. Deepen your breath. Anchor this feeling of complete body renewal into your memory. You are ready to return, refreshed and recalibrated. Gently bring movement back to your fingers and toes. You have moved from stress to synergy. Carry this resonance with you as you move through your day. Open your eyes when you're ready. Thank you for practicing with me.